In this tutorial, we will learn how to disable calls on Snapchat. If you're annoyed by the calls you received on Snapchat and want to disable them for a specific person or all calls in general, you're in the right place. Follow the steps in this simple tutorial and make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your device and swipe from left to right to open your chats. If you tap on the little icon at the bottom right, you can create a new message or call. However, if someone is constantly calling you on a video or audio call and you don't want them to do that, tap and hold on their name and select chat settings. Then disable the message notification button. Now, when this person calls you, your phone won't ring and you won't get any notification or banner that they are calling you. If you want to completely disable audio and video calls on Snapchat, unfortunately, they don't have any specific options in the settings. However, there is a workaround. Go to your phone settings, scroll down to privacy and security, tap on microphone and disable Snapchat. To do same for the camera. This will prevent Snapchat from accessing your microphone and camera, so you won't receive any incoming audio and video calls. The downside is that the app won't be able to access your camera and mic, so you won't be able to record this video or take snaps inside the app. However, you can always take photos or video inside the native camera app on your phone and upload them from the gallery inside Snapchat. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future. Thank you for watching and see you soon.